everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a good time. I am ready to try something a little bit bigger. In my last video, if you saw it, I was testing out the Sherwin Colors to Go paints. So I'm going to do another one. This one is a pinkish color. It's called TuberRose. And we're going to use a larger canvas and do a large bloom instead of doing a batch of small ones. So let's get down to the canvas and have some fun. Okay, today we're going to work on a 12 by 12 Artist Loft Level 2 Gallery Wrap canvas. Like I said, we're going to be using my Sherwin Colors to Go in TuberRose for our base. My cell activators will be Amsterdam Titanium White and Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. And I'm using my eye candy pigments. So we've got Suiren Purple, Kakiiro Orange, Sibafu Green, Oihi Blue, Penny Copper, 14K Nugget Gold, one of my faves, Kamenbudokai, which is a blue with red highlight, and Hakashika, which is an iridescent white. And then for tube paints, we're going to use Amsterdam Naples Yellow Deep and Artist Loft Neon Pink. So let's get started. Let's flood this canvas. So we're going to start by putting our pillow down. Straight from the container, folks. No additives, no nothing. Bubbles here. And when you're dealing with straight house paint, you do not want a torch. Not a good idea. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away. It's gonna work better when you're spinning if your paint's all the way out to the edge, so you don't have a dry spot for it to hit and stop. Why I'm taking a little time to make sure it's all the way out and that I've given a light coat at least to all my edges. We're going to start with a tube paint. That sort of gives a nice foundation for our pigments to go on. For someone like you. Out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out,
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime.
And then we're going to end with our tube paint, and that gives us a nice spot to sit our cell activator on. So it's going to sit on top. We're going to go with the white first. And then the blue violet. All right. Make sure everything's backed off a little. Get our hair dryer out. Give it a go.
Yeah, baby, I got ocean in between us, still I feel your heartbeat. There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before.
Wow. Alright, we're going to let that sit for a sec. We want it to sort of collect itself, do its thing. I've got it very thin right here, and too thin right there. A little thick in other places, so.
When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Baby I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. And the world is going wild when they call for you, and the river's running dry when it all falls through. Don't you worry about a thing, baby, I got you. Yeah, baby, I got you. I don't know how, or how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down, I might be dreaming.
All right, while that's collecting some more, we will do a little playing out here on the outside.
Every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. Why would I fight the things I'm feeling? Rather space out here next to you. Ooh, like astronauts.
Oh, that's filling in nicely. Tilt it that way just a wee bit. Oh, yeah. That center is filling in nice.
'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you.
Okay, let's give that a spin. Whoa. It's a lot of paint on that one.
'Cause every moment with you makes me even lighter.
We're being messy. Put a little too much paint on. Oh, oh, that's looking good, people. Get a big something right there. Oh, 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 oh yeah. Didn't quite mean to make it this big. Not have as much of my base showing as I wanted, but I'm still happy.
Every time you go and slam the door, I adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered mind. I don't ever want us to stop.
Tilt a little and see what we've got going here. Oh yeah, we still have a lot of paint on here. Alright, we're going to spin a little more. Just going to be messy. And one thing you want to check is tilt a little, see how much your paint is moving. That tells you how much paint you have still on your board. But you might want to lower a bit. More spins. Oh, there are so many different colors, so many cool cells. Loving it.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Right now I'm just trying to make sure I'm not leaving too much paint on here.
Thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let
The
that
center is still moving a lot. The rest is not, but the center is.
And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine.
Oh, I'm happy. Alright folks, I'm going to take this off the spinner, clean up the edges a bit, and I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, we have the wet results. Oh, this is looking so fabulous. And you can really see the sparkle here. Look at this. Oh, I hope this dries well. I will be super thrilled if this dries well. Look at these cells. Look at these. Oh, gorgeous. Sparkle and color, multicolored cells. This up here is so pretty and super sparkly. Oh, fabulous. Okay, we're gonna let that one dry. Wait for dry results. Okay, we have the dry results. Oh, this turned out gorgeous. just gorgeous. I love that new base color. It's called TuberRose. These colors are just stunning on here. Oh, everything came out so gorgeous. Look at these cells. Fabulous. Oh, I'm so pleased. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Subscribing to my channel costs you nothing, but it really helps me out. This is part of our Loco Monday train, so please check the description box for those artists that are in the train tonight. Links will be there for you. And have a wonderful, wonderful week, everyone.